to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Today, I am taking your advertisement Lost and Found. In first advertisement, Lost, you must understand there are certain characteristics. First of all, the particular item which has been lost, we have to give complete introduction. As there is briefcase and that has been lost. In any train, in any bus, at bus stop, at railway station means the place. At what place? That has been lost. And regarding identification of which color is briefcase and what articles, what things are inside that particular briefcase, it is to be mentioned. And we have to also mention the date, on which date that has been lost. And there must also be the complete address so that the loser may seek the information sent by the finder. Now you take a grey color briefcase has been lost at bus stand in Aligarh on September 9. Containing important papers, mark sheet, certificates named Sunil Kumar with passport, Aadhaar card and PAN card. Full stop. The finder is requested to restore it to XYZ. There will be Sunil Kumar and phone number is also to be mentioned. Let us know the word limit for this ad, that is 50. And it is to be bordered. The border lines are to be darkened. And it must be in beautiful handwriting. So this is for lost. For example, this is for your briefcase. If there is a wristwatch, a Titan wristwatch with day and date system, golden dial, steel case has been lost somewhere in Aligarh at Agra Road. The finder is requested to inform the undersigned a suitable reward is promised. Here we have given complete identification. So this is regarding lost. In different items there may be bag, there may be mobile, there may be any other article which has been lost. Now there is found. If any person finds any briefcase, a briefcase has been found at railway junction in Aligarh containing very important papers. The owner of the briefcase may collect it from name, complete address with phone number after giving expected complete identifications. This is also to be bordered and is to be beautifully presented in the answer sheet. So this is your advertisement, lost and found. Maybe any other thing which has been found, but the method and style will be the same. Okay, students, thank you very much.